Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the Active Directory Cleanup Tool dashboard that's offered within Right-Click Tools Enterprise Edition. The AD Cleanup Tool dashboard gives you an all-in-one view into devices that you have in your Active Directory environment, Config Manager, or both. It allows you to kind of see what's missing in AD versus what's missing in Config Manager and take the appropriate steps from there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard itself. So here we are in the Config Manager console. Under the Assets and Compliance tab, we have our Recast software node. We'll go ahead and expand that and then click on our Active Directory Cleanup tool. From here, we will want to select an OU. As well as a device collection so that we can compare and make sure that the appropriate devices are in both. So we'll get our graphical view here that will show what's in both, what's in Active Directory, and if we had a yellow slice, that'd be what's in Config Manager only. And we can actually click on each piece of the pie to see the devices that are within the sections. So here we have one device that's only in AD. Maybe this is a stale device that we already got rid of in Config Manager and we just need to delete it. We could right click it, go to our console tools, and delete it from AD as well. Another great thing you could do is maybe this device needs to be in this device collection, so we can see that this device is missing that collection. We could add it to the collection. Another great feature if you're running Recast Management Server is you can actually set up a trend for this dashboard. So here I am in the Recast Management Server under the Dashboard section. We have our trends here, and this is going to give us a historical view of the AD Cleanup dashboard so we can see periodically where we were at. And we can actually click into each of these points in time and we'll get the same chart from before. Just like before, we can click into the pieces of the pie chart to see the devices that are within. So it looks like at this point in time we had 4 devices that were only in AD. From here we could look into why these devices aren't being discovered by Config Manager, or we could go ahead and add those to the collection that they need to be in.